Okay, you guys, I thought I was recording by my camera. It's on my storage pool, but let's get another pull at it. You see that right there? Do you see that right there? Break it again. You see all that goodness?
What you talking about, baby? It's New Year's Eve.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. It is New Year's Eve, and the time is now 9:53, New Year's Eve, so December the 31st. And you see I got my handy dandy apron on again, my holiday apron. Everyone has different styles, but right now I'm about to make some s'mores chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna see how they turn out. I had an idea, so I'm gonna make my idea to a reality and make it happen. So let's get into it. What you will need: chocolate chip cookie dough, already pre-made, or if you want to make chocolate chip cookie dough from scratch, go ahead and do that. Next thing you need is either some Hershey's chocolate candy bars. Got some Ollie's. If you don't know what that store is, go look at my previous videos. You'll see Ollie's all in the videos. Oh, I mean Bargain Hunt. Bargain Hunt as well. They said this as well. And you'll need, if you don't have chocolate, use some chocolate chips, some regular chocolate chips, some graham crackers. And after graham crackers, you need some marshmallows. Because we started s'mores chocolate chip cookies. So let's get into it. We ain't waste no time. No nothing. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, preheat your oven to 330 degrees or wherever your cookie packet says. And line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. I always do that when you make cookies, especially from scratch. You see I got my graham cracker pieces cut up, and then there's spots it needs to be at. Next thing I'm going to add is the marshmallow. I feel like I need to cut them down, but we'll see how they turn out. Got my marshmallows. Trying to get them open. That might be too big. I might need to cut those down. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, so I'm just cutting the marshmallows up because I know that's going to be too much if I do it just like that. I cut them in half. And then too, just to cut them in half. Get a marshmallow, turn it sideways and cut it in half. Would you guys try this recipe though? Comment down below. We want to see how this turned out together. This will be my first time making it. Like I said, I had an idea. I made my idea in reality and made it. This is something good for the winter time. I'm gonna keep it like that. Some in the winter time, you can have some hot cocoa with this. I don't like hot cocoa. I rather have iced coffee. I really don't like hot drinks at all. Only thing I can drink hot is probably coffee. But you gotta have some cream in it. So yeah. Like that. Did it. I'm gonna move on to our chocolates. You can see. I'm gonna move on to our chocolates. I'm gonna make it else again. I got some Hershey's candy. You can use milk chocolate if you want to. Or chocolate chips, I mean. One piece per cookie. So you shouldn't have to go through a whole pack of Hershey's candy. Because you get 4 squares per Hershey bar. Ooh. Like I said, it's New Year's Eve. What are you guys doing for New Year's Eve? What are your New Year's resolutions? With all that, comment down below. Well, what are we leaving behind? What are we bringing in? What are some unusual traditions that your family might have that others might not? Just comment down below. I hope I'm doing this right. I hope it's kind of like the way I want it. But yeah, let's see it. So it's graham cracker layer, marshmallow, and then the Hershey's. I didn't use 2 bars so far. Let's move on to the next one. I probably used 4 bars in total. You're gonna see. I tried to add music because every time I add the slightest bit of music that's not even copyright at all, it gets copyrighted. Yeah, I'm gonna need 1 more bar. I thought so. 1 more bar. Yeah. Did I put that in here? This might have been if I did. Okay, one more piece. Then we're going to the chocolate chip cookie dough. Let's move on to the cookie dough. I like mold it like this. And just throw it on top. You don't have to do so much, just throw it on top. It's probably gonna melt down to the cookie anyway. Throw it on top like that, we're gonna see. Just an experiment. Might work, might not. We're gonna see together. I don't want to use too much cookie dough because I didn't have it. Throw it on top, kind of like mush it down like a cone shape. I hope this turns out right. I really hope this turns out right. Well, I'm gonna speed the video up for the sake of time.
Glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise. Join the triumph of the sky. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Just sing glory to
Okay, I finished. Now these about to go in the oven, 330 degrees. Like I said, I already preheated, parchment paper underneath. And we're gonna see how these turn out together. It's the first time for everything, right? This is my first time making these, so we're gonna see. Before they go in the oven.
Eventually.
Okay, you guys, I thought I was recording by my camera. It's on my storage pool, but let's get another pull at it. You see that right there? Do you see that right there? And break it again. You see all that goodness? Yeah, s'mores cookies made by me. Okay, I got 2 taste testers. They're finna taste it. 1, 2, 3. Go. Man, where you gonna? Is it s'moresy?
It's definitely getting one for the game.
Okay.
Good. I got. I've been to marshmallow. That should taste like a s'more. So what's the base of the cookie?
I got graham crackers, Hershey's chocolate, and marshmallows.
I definitely taste that chocolate.
Chocolate?
That marshmallow too.
I remember when it first was been a chocolate.
Me too. You know, cocoa was used as a liquor back in the day.
Okay.